Hello everybody, my name is Dwayne Massey and welcome back to my YouTube channel and my YouTube video entitled An Introduction to Sports Psychology Part 2. Lecture material that go along with this video can be found on my website www.masseyinstitute.com. If you want to stop this video at this point and download these materials, please do so. Go to the website, select the lecture material tab, select the title of this video, and print out the associated material. You can then follow along on it as the video progresses. You may restart the video when you are ready to do so. Let's go ahead and get started. Today, I want to start out by identifying the two major specialty areas in sports psychology. The first of these is a clinical sports psychologist. A clinical sports psychologist helps athletes who experience severe emotional problems where intervention continues over an extended period of time. They can assist in treating such issues as depression, eating disorders, and panic attacks, to name a few. They have extensive training to detect and treat emotional problems and are licensed by state medical boards. Only those professionals with the training and expertise required should be involved in treating those suffering with such emotional issues. Those individuals who do not possess this expertise should refer their clients and athletes to those who do. An educational sports psychologist helps athletes develop the psychological skills necessary for optimal participation in sports. These individuals usually have training in the areas of exercise science, physical education, kinesiology, or exercise or movement psychology. They usually possess skills training in the areas of relaxation training, anxiety management, confidence development, the use of imagery, and other psychological skills training that help athletes perform better in their sport. Information related to the U.S. Olympic Committee's requirements to be able to work with our Olympic athletes for both clinical and educational sports psychologists can be found on my website, www.masseyinstitute.com. As it relates to employment data in sports psychology, we can draw the following conclusions. Most sports psychology jobs are found in academia. Finding full-time employment in the marketplace is often a combination of ability, training, luck, and self-promotion. Private practice is only a minor aspect of the discipline. The marketplace currently does not support full-time employment in sports psychology, and there is a reluctance to support sports psychology in the world outside of academia. Most professionals who work in the field do so part-time as a limited aspect of their overall work activities. With this information in mind, what group would you think would be the most likely consumers of sports psychology related information? I would say athletes, of course, who are always looking for a competitive edge. But even more than athletes, I would say coaches. Who has more at stake when it comes to winning or losing a game or a sporting event? Who has more on the line as it relates to reputation, livelihood, and their career than the coach? And who is in a better position to help disseminate this information to athletes? And, as we have pointed out, anyone else interested in performing at a higher level in their personal life can benefit from this type of information. For your convenience, I placed a list of major sports psychology organizations and journals on my website. I have also placed on the website information on expected ethical and professional conduct for sports psychologists working with the public. These broad areas of concern related to ethics include competence, integrity, professional and scientific responsibility, respect for people's rights and dignity, concern for the welfare of others, and social responsibility. This wraps up our introductory video on the discipline of sports psychology, Part 2. In conclusion, as always, I hope something we said today was useful and had some relevance to you. Be on the lookout for my next video, which I hope to post in the relatively near future. Again, be sure to check out my webpage, www.masseyinstitute.com. Additional information about sports psychology and the topics discussed can be found there. Also, if you like what you see today, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And be sure to leave comments, as I'm interested in what you think of these efforts. Thank you so much for watching today.